very proud and happy to support and celebrate together with PG. Is the very first 50 years anniversary of the Gineico company. Majority of the brands, I believe it's in excess of 30 brands that he represents and brings to Australia, are made in Italy. And obviously with me talking the lingo, being born and raised in Italy, it helps sort of the process of selecting the right spare parts, ordering the right spare parts, and most importantly get it delivered through the importation process that has been bulletproofed, consolidated by the Gineico in the last 50 years. Well, there is actually a team of, first of all, professional, I'd say also enthusiastic and committed people, that they understand that when you call for a spare part or for a service sort of replacement part, it is actually kind of an urgent part. So most likely you're gonna get an answer the same day or within 24 hours, and sometimes you get actually a technical answer, which includes diagrams, schematics, which for someone like myself or an operator in the industry, it makes life so much easier. But what actually Gineico brings to the table is an sort of service, sort of an asset to which you can sort of rely on and lean on if something goes wrong. And most of the times with more technical equipments, which can be like electrical gyro stabilizers as well as pump, having someone that you can actually call and say, hey, I got these difficulties, is there a way that we can fix it sort of promptly or quickly, or we can find a better solution to create that longevity, because most of the time you spend money because you want to have a fix for a long term, and that's what you actually really get out of sort of Gineico. You get a support after sales that creates that value, that really bring value to your money. Well, starting from PG, I think is a charismatic, enthusiastic, as they call it, Italian stallion. It's hard to get him to, and I can say because I'm Italian, to shut up, because he's just so passionate and he wants to deliver. And I think by doing that, he elevates the enthusiasm and the commitment throughout the team. That's what we call passion, and definitely there's a lot of passion in the Gineico team, and certainly in PG. And after that is straight away quality, and I'd say probably the last one is reliability. You can count on them and go back on them if something does go wrong.